How to save Instagram story with music on your gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually save Instagram stories with music on your gallery. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and open Instagram, for example. Once you open Instagram, let me just show you a story which I have added with a music. So you could basically see that I had added a story with music, and if I wanted to save that particular Instagram story to my gallery, what I would have to do is simply tap on the story, and then I would have to tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen with this more button. So tap on it, and here you would find the option called save video. However, if I actually tap on the save video option, you can see it says me to save without music. And if I tap on save without music, let's say for example, this particular video will be saved to my camera roll, but then it will be added without a music. So let me just go ahead and show you. You can see we don't have music on this particular video. So how to save Instagram story with music on our gallery? In this video, I will simply show you that. The very first thing you want to do is make sure to update the Instagram app. So there is a new feature which will let us to download the media files. So I'm just going to go ahead and open my Play Store, and in the search box, I will simply type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, make sure you have updated it to the latest version right over here. After you've updated Instagram to the latest version, what you have to do is you have to simply open Instagram again. Once you open Instagram again, this time we will have enabled a new option, and that is that if I go ahead and tap on my story right over here, and let me just play it, you can see we have the music on this story, and in order to save it, all we have to do is tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner again. And this time right at the top of the screen, you have this option which says download. Previously, we only had the option called save video, but now we have the option called download. So you have to simply tap on download, and you can see it says me download this media file. I will simply tap on download this media file, and download has been started. Now I'm going to basically come back to my home screen. You can see the download has been completed as well. Now what I will do is I will go ahead and show you. You can see two stories. This one didn't have music earlier, and let's go ahead and check this one. As you can see, we do have music on this particular story. And this is how you can very easily save Instagram stories with music on your gallery. We hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.